Gentle.
Look, he's got ears.
He's got ears?
Yes, eyes.
Eyes?
Mouth.
Uh-huh.
And teeth.
Yes, he has 2 teeth.
Two teeth.
2 teeth.
Look, and this is Daniel.
This is Daniel.
And a ball.
He's got a basketball on his shirt. And what's your name? What? Are you Aiden?
I'll show you.
You want to show me?
Yes.
Okay.
There. And I walk.
We go on a nice walk?
There. Walk. Mommy.
Yeah?
And I walk.
We go on a nice walk. Good idea.
Where Nanny go?
Where'd Nanny go? She's at her house. Uh-oh. Gentle. Gentle. Aiden, let go. Oh.